right, I'm back on the ditch pig. Gonna start probably the most major part of the body work that I've had to do to this point. Otherwise, it's all just been rust repair inside. That's worked out really well. Now I gotta do some of the stuff on the outside. The only spot on this truck that's really suspect when it comes to exterior rust is the cab corners. Not uncommon. So we're gonna replace those. The ones I ordered just showed up. I'll show you guys what we're working with, what my plan is, and how I can hopefully do it and not butcher it. So as we see here, there's definitely been something going on here. Now, I'm not sure if that's body filler or paint or what, but it's definitely been worn through. Somebody's tried to give it some attention in the past. If we look at the inside here, can I look right down there? You can see there's like some kind of Bondo or goop or something going on down there. So that's what I'm gonna try and get rid of. Now, the panels I got, they're right over here. These are fantastic looking panels, thick. On the initial fit, they look really well. So my plan here is to only use what I have to. With these panels. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace it out. So I've got a rough idea of how much metal I can cut. My goal is to only cut out the problem spot and then weld it in. So I don't want to go beyond this point here because I'll have a really hard time getting my welder in there, and that looks pretty solid up to that point. And then it looks like this whole bottom section's got to somehow come out. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Might end up having to take the running board off. So for now, I'm going to clean this all off. Or am I even going to bother? Maybe I won't bother yet. And I'm going to start cutting small chunks. Probably something like that. Maybe all the way to the end, wherever I can fit my grinder in there. And once I got the piece cut that I want, then I will cut it out of my new patch. So I'm not using that entire cab corner. I'm just going to use the section that I need. Here, looks like somebody's already tried to do this one before, and I can't tell right now if this is just straight body filler, which it looks like, and this back here inside there was the existing rust. Not even metal. That's just pure body filler. Why did I decide to do this? I've gotten all the bad stuff cut out. I'm left with good metal. Some of it, it's good. It's good. I've had to go way further back than I thought, so I'm actually going to be utilizing all this contour on the replacement panel, which I didn't think I was going to need. My dilemma is I only got this last little bit here to cut. This is all good metal. I could tack to this, but I feel like it's just going to be an easier fit if I go right to here. It looks like there's a tack here, and I zip it here, and then I can just try and mess with all that. I think that'll be an easier fit. Look at that. Oh man. That's not even metal either. See where I ground in there with the grinder? Just pure Bondo. That's impressive. Not gonna lie. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a little bit of metal left. Not bad. See? It actually looks like it was beat in with a hammer in order to make room for the Bondo to fill the gaps. Looks like somebody caved in the corners so they could put extra Bondo. So I got some 20 gauge tin. I'm going to use that to start fixing the pieces of the inner tab corner before we work on the outer stuff. So hopefully this is thick enough. I can just use snips to make it work, so it'll be a lot easier. So behind the scenes, I just kind of bend this up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I just kind of eyeballed it. So I'm about to start tacking this last panel in here. I didn't film patching this piece up because I forgot.
You, my friend, are an amateur.
And I fabbed up this piece, but I'm about to weld it in. So we're getting close. What I'm trying to watch here is the door gap. Trying to keep that all the way. That dictates which way up and down that panel fits. I could line it up like this right now and almost get that contour perfect. Then my door gap's out right about there. Looks like this is where it's supposed to sit. had a weird kind of fit on the bottom, and I got to come up with a little panel to seal her all up. So I just transferred it onto a piece of heavy paper / cardboard, and I'll cut it out, transfer it onto this piece of tin. We got her done. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. By no means perfect, but it will get the job done. There's no light shining in, there's no light shining out. So it's sealed up, the rust is gone, and that's all I was really after. So I'm sure a real body guy would laugh me off the screen if he managed to stick it through the whole video and watch that process. But I'm pretty happy with it, and if you're thinking of doing it, maybe you can do it too. Like I said, a basic guy, basic skills, basic tools in a modest shop. You guys can do it. Anybody can. So that's where we're at. I still got the whole other side to do. No point in watching a video of the exact same thing, or a video twice as long. So one's done, moving on to the next. Until I see you guys again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Stay safe, enjoy it the best you can with your family in any way possible. Given the current conditions, it's a tough situation out there right now. And all I can do is wish the best for everyone. And hopefully things will start to turn around soon and we'll see everyone back to normal, having fun and being happy. Anyways, take care, guys.